Hello and welcome to Unit 2, Overview of Expert Systems. Have you ever wondered how a computer can diagnose diseases, recommend loans, detect fraud, or help farmers identify crop diseases? The answer lies in a special branch of artificial intelligence called expert systems. In this lesson, we will learn what expert systems are, how they work, their components, advantages, limitations, and real-world applications. Introduction to expert systems. Expert systems are among the earliest successful applications of artificial intelligence. They were developed to imitate the thinking and decision-making abilities of human experts in specific fields such as medicine, engineering, banking, agriculture, education, and law, unlike ordinary computer programs that simply follow instructions. Expert systems use knowledge and reasoning to solve complex problems and provide recommendations. What is an expert system? An expert system is an intelligent computer program that uses stored knowledge and logical reasoning to solve problems that normally require a human expert. It can store expert knowledge, analyze information, apply logical rules, make recommendations, explain how decisions are made. Think of it as a digital consultant that helps users make informed decisions. The characteristics of expert systems. Expert systems possess several important characteristics. 1. Domain specificity. They are designed for specific areas of expertise, such as medical diagnosis or financial analysis. Knowledge-based operation. They rely on stored facts, rules, procedures, and expert experience. 3. Reasoning ability. They use logical reasoning to draw conclusions from available information. 4. Explanation capability. They can clearly communicate their reasoning and insights. They can explain how and why a decision was reached. 5. Consistency. Unlike humans, they do not become tired or emotional, and therefore provide consistent results. 6. High performance. They solve problems quickly and accurately. 7. Symbolic processing. They work with rules, concepts, and logical statements. Knowledge separation. Knowledge can be updated without changing the entire system. An expert system. An expert system consists of 6 major components. 1. Knowledge base. Stores expert knowledge, facts, and rules. Inference engine. Acts as the brain of the system by applying rules and making decisions. 3. User interface. Allows users to interact with the system. Working memory. Stores temporary information during problem solving. Explanation facility. Explains how conclusions were reached. 6. Knowledge acquisition module. Collects and updates knowledge from experts and other sources.
Reasoning techniques. Expert systems use reasoning techniques to solve problems. Forward chaining. Forward chaining starts with known facts and moves toward a conclusion. Example. Fact. A patient has a fever. Rule. If a patient has a fever, there may be an infection.
Backward chaining. Backward chaining starts with a goal and works backward to verify supporting facts. Example. Goal. Determine whether a patient has malaria. System checks for symptoms such as fever and headache. Structure. These techniques help the system think logically and make decisions. Human experts versus expert systems. Let's compare human experts and expert systems. Human experts can learn naturally, think creatively, and adapt to new situations. However, they may become tired, forget information, or be influenced by emotions. Expert systems, on the other hand, work continuously without fatigue, store knowledge permanently, provide consistent decisions, operate based on predefined rules. While humans are more creative, expert systems are often faster and more reliable for routine decision-making tasks. Advantages of expert systems. Expert systems provide many benefits. These include faster decision-making, consistent performance, reduced operational costs, preservation of expert knowledge, increased productivity, training support for beginners, availability of expertise anytime, ability to operate in dangerous environments. Because of these advantages, many organizations rely on expert systems to improve efficiency and decision-making. Limitations of expert systems. Despite their advantages, expert systems have some limitations. They lack common sense, have narrow expertise, and cannot learn. Lack human creativity, are expensive to develop, require expert knowledge during development, have limited learning ability, work only within specific domains, lack human creativity, are expensive to develop, require expert knowledge during development, have limited learning ability, work only within specific domains, need regular updates and maintenance, may struggle with uncertainty and incomplete information. These challenges explain why expert systems often work alongside human experts rather than replacing them completely. Applications for expert systems. Expert systems are widely used across different industries: medicine, disease diagnosis, treatment recommendations; banking and finance, credit evaluation, fraud detection; investment advice, agriculture, crop disease diagnosis, soil analysis, fertilizer recommendations. In summary, in this lesson, we learned that expert systems are intelligent computer programs designed to imitate human expertise. Expert systems remain one of the most important technologies in artificial intelligence because they help preserve knowledge, improve decision-making, and provide expert assistance whenever it is needed. Thank you for watching. See you at the next lesson.